So welcome back to the channel. If you watch my channel, the last video we had some issue with the picture, and that issue has been resolved, and now we have a new issue with this refrigerator. We bought this in 2022, so it's now about 4 years now. So it's been working well, except for the center flap here. So now the issue is when we close it, it doesn't close. The flap, like it's supposed to go out like this, but it keep on doing like that. So the flap is supposed to keep to close the gap between there. So without that flap going out like this, we're gonna lose a lot of air. So first I thought the issues because I looked at this one, like the door hinges here, over here. You can see the one on the left-hand side, it's somewhat a little bit lower than the one on the right. So I was thinking maybe like the screw somewhere up here where I can, loosen it or level it to make it straight. Unfortunately, that is not the case. So I did a little bit of research, and it turns out that they need this little shim here. So I ordered this from Amazon. So they come in 4 sizes. So it depends on how big the gap is. So you're just gonna pick one, and then actually only come with 3, less than I thought. Oh, actually 4, right? So we're gonna try, and then I'll show you how to see if it actually fixed the issues. So I think the gap maybe here. Not that one, that would be too big. Maybe I'll try the smaller one. I'll try this one here. And we're gonna see. Hopefully this is the size. I'll try the middle one. Right, so we're gonna try this one first and see if it fixes the issues. So you lift this up, and underneath here, let me see if I can do from which one would be better. I need to stick this in there. I need something to stick it in. Maybe from the outside here better. Let me see. Maybe I could do from the outside. I'll try from here, from outside. Let's see. I push it in. I just need something to push it in. Maybe from this side better. Yeah. It's kind of hard. All right, guys. So with one hand and with the other hand on the here, it's really hard for me to put it from this angle. So what I did was I put it from this side over here. So you go through the back over here and wabande waina. So you see, this is the clip right here. So right here, it's a lot easier. You see this? This is the shim right here. So you lift it from here, and then you push it in. A lot easier coming from this end. Okay, so now you can see. So the door, now you close it, the middle flap will open. That's how it should be. And originally, for the first 3 years, it's like that. It's perfect. It should be like that. But eventually, I guess when we put stuff inside here, it's started to sag it down, and you can see that right now it levels up. So that's how it should be. So that's how you fix the issue. So if you have any questions, if you need how to get the parts, I'll list it in the descriptions. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care. Till next time.